What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Central California. Had to be out in the Tulare area for for some work. So of course I had to stop by. Let's see what they got. I don't even know how to say this area. What is it? Tulare? Tulare? I don't know. Whatever. All right, we're here. It's like 10:30, I think. Yeah, 10:30. Been open for 30 minutes. Let's see what they got. All right, we did find some heat last time we're here. Came here, found some retros. All right, let's go. Like a little mini heat wall. I hope that's not. Oh, that's not it, man. Do you see 30% off the clearance wall? I do see it. All right, let's go. They do got a couple retros in the aisles. We're gonna start with the clearance section because you do get 30% off. Center courts down to $50. And then you get another 30% off on top of that. This is a size 10.5. So what is that? Like 35 bucks? Oh, got some Vapor Max right here. Going for $2 though. Blazer lows going for 90. Couple of Air Max 95s. 140. So that's not bad. That's close to 100 bucks. Size 10 Westbrook Take Ones going for $80. Air Force Ones right here, go for $150 though. Do got some LeBrons, go for $150. The Big Bangs right here, it's a size 10. LS Slides, go for $25. Jumbos, Blazer Jumbos, go for $100. Blazer Mids, go for $110. Moving up to the size 11s. Got some Air Max 97s, some Nike by Use. Not too bad, especially if you like pink. Not too bad. Got the 3M on it, $190. Air Force Ones all red, go for $110. Another one of these, go for hella cheap, $35 after the discount. That's crazy. Delta Breathe, oh, it's a Jordan Delta, my bad. Let's go for $90. It's 11.5. Comfort 11 lows, go for $120. Another 11.5. Size 12. Got plenty of those. Zion ones. Haven't seen one of these. Oh, this is size 13. Size 13. Go for $90. Another colorway. This is 12.5. Go for $65. Wow, that's a freaking bargain. More of these size 12. Go for $140. Do you got some Jordan 7? Size 13. Go for $210. And one of the huge sizes, size 15s. Are these $100? Size 15, okay. Jordan 35s. Oh, these are 35 lows. Size 14. Why not 0.4s? Or 0.4s. Go for $140. Size 15, got them as well. And then 0.5s. Size 15, go for $90. They got Terra Kigers. Size 15, $70. That's pretty much about it where the huge size is. Size 11 mids, going for $100. So you get those for $70. Not too bad. The mids are going for $125 now. So okay, not a bad discount. Is that the best find of the day so far? Maybe. Checking the smaller sizes, size 9 and below. $120 for these. Harachis right here. A ton of these. It looks like these just came out the aisles. So yeah, $140 for those. Air Max 95. Looks like these just came out the aisles too, because we're finding these in almost every size. Way cheap. Jordan Access, 8.5. Infinity Run Finance, 8.5 go for $90. Air Force Ones go for $150. LeBrons, got some LeBrons 8.5 go for $2. Jordan 1 highs right here, size 8 go for $90. Wow, $90. And then the discount, that is just way cheap. These are ugly as hell though, but way cheap though. Comes with all the accessories, a little bag in the back. Hella cheap. Right next to that, see the Jordan 12 retros. These are the lows though. Yeah, I'm good on those. $2. And I think that's pretty much about it. More Zions. These are 7.5 though, so for almost a kid size. Dunks 5.5. Like, why is that not in the kid sizes? Even worse, look, 3.5, 5 women's. That's crazy. That should be in the kid sizes. Oh, got another retro here, size 5 though, 5.5. All right, of course we do have to check out the aisles. Start with a couple of the J's that they got here. Man, if they had extra discounts, wouldn't be bad. But at regular price, man, these are things that we've seen at the regular stores. These are the deals you have to take advantage whenever they have like members get 20% off or something like that. Like you need to take advantage because regular price, nah, we're good. Do got the patchwork 3s right here. I actually do have these. Pretty cool design, I'm not gonna lie. Materials, interesting. A lot of canvas on it. Alright, got the Yamas Immortalities. Couple different colorways. These are the 2nd generation right here. Not much of a difference, to be really honest. Got the Flytrap 5s. Always plenty of these. Do got the KD Tray 5 9s. Another one of those. Soldier 14s. Kill Shot 2 leathers. Couple of the Jordan Hydro 6s. Another one of those. Westbrook Take 1s. Another one of those. This is Westbrook's budget line right here. Got the Take 1 3s. Jordan Access. Another one of those. Got some Max Auras. Couple of liftoffs, but I don't think you guys really care about those. Jordan Max 200s. These are Quick Strike. Oh, it's a PSG one. I was like, what? PSG one right here. Okay. Got some Tailwind 79s. Going for hella cheap. The Crater Impacts. Do got the Air Force One highs. The Cortez right here. Man, we're a lot of people looking for the Cortezes, and then they got these Be True colorways, one that like kind of nobody's looking for, you know, unless that's your thing. But man, it just sucks that they're not making the Cortez that people want. Air Max Dons. Waffle Trainers go for hella cheap. Waffle Debuts. These are kind of interesting looking. Air Max 2017s. Vapor Max right here. These are the 2021 Flynets. I think these are replacement box, right? Air Max 95s. Same color, different colorway though. Air Max 2090s. I hope the jump cuts are better. They updated the software on my phone and I noticed the jump cuts are significantly different. Kind of what happens when you update your phones. Another Air Max 2090 right here. Another one of those. Air Max 2021. I've never seen anybody ask about these or anybody say, hey, these look dope. Not a fan. But yeah, they're here. Not even on sale though, man. Come on now. And then the Air Max Genomes. Pegasus Trail 2. Another one of those. Metcon Turbos. And I think that's about it, dude. I think that's about it, especially with the men's. Got a couple running shoes, but nothing too crazy. All right, let's look at some of the apparel. I'm trying to find a hoodie for someone I do know. Got Jordan shirts right here with the embroidered Jumpman logo on it. This is a small though. But yeah, $22. Do get 30% off clearance apparel. I forgot to see that too. Okay. Jumpman. Is it like a warm-up pants with mesh on the sides? Kind of interesting look. Normally $1.50 down to $60. These are all mediums. Got a ton of them. Large t-shirt, just not really too much interesting stuff. $20 for these Nike tees. Jacket right here. Interesting color, like a brown. Damn, going for $30. It's double XL, $30. That comes out to what? $21 after the savings. So 30% off all these hoodies and winter clothing right here. $55 for these. These are all small, large. Oh, they got a bunch of sizes. They got a black one. This is only a small. $55 for those. You got a white hoodie. $50 for these. Mostly XLs right here. Do you got sweats? These sweats going for $50. It's like more expensive here because you need it in this climate out here. That's funny. Out in LA, all the sweats are going for hella cheap. Also looking for a backpack for a kid. I haven't seen any sales on backpacks though, man. Probably because that's when people buy backpacks. $35 for these, normally $55. This is cheap though. Dude got a black one, $50, or I'm sorry, 40 down to 30. Just not too many discounts. Got a purple one right there. Just what is this? Oh, it's not canvas. What that synthetic? It's like a nylon material. Go for 25. Go for 35. Just no deals right now, man. Damn, nothing even worth posting on Instagram. Just not much today, and that's how some of the trips are, right? Some of the trips are like that. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Probably one of the shorter vlogs. I did go through the women's, didn't really find much. One of the shorter vlogs, you guys. It is what it is. Can't win all of them. I think we're out, you guys. We are out. All right, guys. I tried. I wasn't in there very long, dude. I was there, what, 30 minutes? But yeah, I didn't really find too much stuff. That's kind of the way it works sometimes. But, you know, the last trip we came here, we found quite a few Jordans. Retros, we were able to get it for 30% off. Not the craziest deals today, but it is what it is. But that's kind of how the Nike Outlet game works. Sometimes you find stuff, sometimes you don't. This place has notoriously been bad. I think out of like the 4 trips, I think I've only found stuff once. But it is what it is. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm going to hit up a couple more Nike outlets today. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because I'm going to try to post the best deals on Instagram so you guys can find out ASAP. Some of these videos take a few days to get to you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos coming. Pretty much a video every day. Trying to get these secondary videos, guys. I have so many things to review for you guys, but we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Yeah.